Assalamu alaikum. It's the 11th of July 2025 from north of Gaza Strip. Thousands of civilians, including children and women, have lost their lives or have been injured. Homes, schools and hospitals have been destroyed, leaving millions without shelter or access to basic health care. The scarcity of clean water, food and medical supplies has reached catastrophic levels. But we still find hope. By implementing projects like this and providing meals to the needy people of Gaza. By your support today, we are preparing hot meals, which of course will be distributed to the poor people who are waiting us patiently to get the food and share it with their families. Al Khidmati Foundation of Pakistan, thank you for standing with us in these trying times. May our efforts inspire others to take part in spreading mercy and compassion. Barakallahu feekum.